Ya, maskapai berbeaman bintang 4 versi Skytrack. Selamat menikmati penerbangan ini. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Citylink Indonesia. This is your captain. My name is Captain Adirido, and with senior co-pilot Bayu Putra Erwinanto. Welcome on board in this Airbus 320, flight number QG885. Service to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport in Tangerang, Banten. The flight to Jakarta will take about 1 hour. With an altitude of 35,000 feet above sea level, weather en route is forecasted to be cloudy. Before we leave, let us pray for our journey. If you need anything, please contact our cabin crew. Last but not least, on behalf of crew on duty, thank you for choosing Citylink Indonesia, the 4-star low-cost airline by Skytrack. Enjoy your flight. Flight attendant, close door, arm slot, and cross check.